It's been a while since I've styled a garment with Shibori folding technique, so that's what I'm going to do in this video, and I'll be using turmeric as the dye. I'm focusing primarily on the bottom portion of the shirt, so that's where the design will be placed, and the top part of the shirt will just be a solid orange color. I'm going to be using these incense sticks as the binding tool, I guess you can call it. This darker one here is one of two that I have like that, although one is currently misplaced, so I'm using two different ones, but they should produce the same effect. Right here, I'm just pre-soaking the fabric prior to putting it into the dye. I feel that's very important. I didn't do it beforehand like I usually do. And I'm using rainwater that I've been collecting the past few weeks. We've been having a lot of rain, so I like to gather rainwater when I can to use in my dyeing projects. So this container of turmeric was pretty much empty, but I wanted to try and get as much out of it as I could. So I just poured some water in it, shook it around, and used that in the pot. And then I'm going to open a new container and use about 1/4 cup of turmeric in my pot to dye this garment. And then I can use that for other projects as well. I definitely prefer to use fresh turmeric root, but I wasn't able to find any at my local health food store like I normally do. And my plants that I'm growing did not turn out right this time, so I'm gonna have to try that again. So I am just currently using powder, commercial powder from the store. Although I was intending for this to be a diamond facing inward, I do like how it turned out. Now, one of my daughters wanted to create this same pattern on a piece of fabric, so that's what we're doing right here. I'm showing her how to do the fold, and we're just going through the steps again so she can have her little piece of fabric. She's very crafty and likes to make things, so this is a good activity for her. We just used a scrap piece of fabric, which was in the shape of a rectangle, so it doesn't give the full effect of the design, but I think she was pleased overall. Thanks for watching.